Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Flicklo to create a beautiful clock screensaver on Windows 10. This is a simple and stylish way to enhance your screensaver. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to the official Flicklo website at flicklo.com or search for Flicklo on Google. When you visit the home page, you'll only see an image of a computer screen. Click on the image to access the download page. From there, download the version for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, extract it and you'll find a file named flicklo.skr. Right-click on this file and select Install. The installation process is very quick and straightforward. After installation, the screensaver settings window will pop up automatically. If it doesn't, press the Windows I keys to open Settings, then go to Personalization and select Lock Screen. In the Screensaver Settings window, select Flicklo from the drop-down menu. Below that, you can customize how long the computer must remain idle before the screensaver starts. You can also click Preview to see how it will look. Once you're done, click Apply and OK. Now, whenever your computer enters idle mode, Flicklo will display a sleek and stylish clock screensaver on your screen. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Easy Tech Steps channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.